Hello my friends, welcome back. So I know some of you wanted to know how to connect two panels together to make a pillow. So that is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So stick around. Alright guys, thanks for coming on back. So to do your two panels together, I did do a border of single crochet all the way around on both panels. So now you're going to put right side and right side together. So basically the two good sides, they go together. So I do have Angel, this is her good side, so the right side. And then I have Stitch, this is the bad side. So this is his good side. So I'm going to face it on top of Angel. So you're going to want to connect the two corners together. And I'm going to use the same crochet hook that I used to make the panels. And you can either do the pink or like whatever color one of the panels are. So I'm gonna go with the blue because I totally ran out of the pink. And you're basically gonna go into each, so both loops, just like that. Pull them both through. I'm gonna chain one. So I just slip stitch each stitch together, and I just do it really tight. So going into the next stitch there, so I'm just going to slip stitch them, so through that one, through the next one. You want to do that all the way around. Okay, so do that all the way around. Try and keep a tight tension. And then once you've completed that, I will show you what you need to do next. So I forgot to mention that you do want to leave a small space on the last side of the pillow. So I went all the way around. So they're all connected now, except for this small little space. Pretty much enough to fit your hand through. So I might do a couple more stitches. You just want enough room that you can put the stuffing through. So we're going to sew out that small little space. Yeah, it's a good size. So I'm going to cut my yarn here. I'm going to leave quite a bit of tail. And then I'm going to finish off. All right. So now we're going to try and flip this pillow right side out, if that makes sense. So that's why I said you want to make sure your hand fits in here, because you want to go all the way in. You want to try and find a corner. So here's a corner here. I'm going to push that corner in. I'm going to start bringing it to that opening. Can get a little challenging, and if this is your first time, I do recommend maybe leaving a bigger gap. So you want to try and pull it out. You want to flip it right side out or inside. You just gotta be gentle, take your time, want to bring it through. So come on back once you do that and I'll show you. Alrighty, that was quite the challenge. So I did successfully get it turned inside out, well, right side out. So I'm just going to go in and push my corners out. So pushing those corners out. And there you have it. All connected. We've got stitch on one side. And you can also see that it's like kind of seamless. You don't really see where it was attached. And then I'll show the other side. And here is Angel. So basically what you're going to do at this point is you're going to stuff it as much as you want. This is a fairly large pillow. I did want them big because I am making 4 of them for my children, and I just want them to have like big extra large pillows, which they really enjoyed, so I'm just gonna keep making those. So this is the second one that is done. But after you're done stuffing it, you're gonna get a tapestry needle, and you're basically gonna, in and out, sew it up, and then you have yourself a pillow. I hope that this helped you guys understand how to connect them. If you guys are interested on how to do the stitch side, I do have a tutorial. I will link it down in the description box below. But yeah, thanks for joining me, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And have a good morning, evening, and night.